era kati awo yagenda yali akubye kampeyini ye ey'eggomba
Byekwaso niyo omu ku baamwaniriza kakati yavuddeyo n'akola positi ogirabye awo n'amubika okay Kyagulanyi ng'ayita ku mukutu gwe agambye I regret to announce the sudden death of our comrade Byekwaso Ali aka Ali Benz, who tragically lost his life in an accident this morning. That was yesterday. Ali Benz is one of our patriotic senior friends that I have known all my life from our old village, Kanonigomba. He was a great fan and associate through the years of our music career, who featured in many of our music works over the years, including the famous Byekwaso video. Upon joining politics, he was among the first people from Gomba that embraced the struggle and traveled the entire country with us on the campaign trail, enduring so many challenges, including prison. He was a dedicated and a passionate member of People Power and NOP and a senior foot soldier. We shall lay him to rest olunaku olwaleero in Wasinda, Gomba Sazgenda Bera Munana. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Okay, kati ebyo nno awo webiri. Kale yoyo mwami sokudde n'omula mulimba lwa Byekwaso mwali.
Afiiridde mu kabenje. Je n'emyaka gyadde yeewangulidde.
Kale tubasaasideko kakali nga tuvuddewo ndowooza. Kakati bannaye enguzi efuuse enguzi etandise okugenda mu baatisi balandise okubagana empawa ku nguzi.